Today we are making soft, fluffy cinnamon buns from scratch, golden outside, gooey inside, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. First of all, I have taken 250 ml of warm milk. The temperature should be between 105 to 110 degree Fahrenheit. Now I am going to add 50 gram of sugar, 11 gram of active dry yeast, and I am going to mix it well and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it gets foamy. Now I am going to add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, 60 gram of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 500 gram of flour, and I am going to sift it. Now I am going to make dough using the mixer. Dough is ready now. Now I am going to brush bowl with oil and I am going to transfer this dough into it. Now I am going to apply some oil on top. And cover and let it sit for 1 hour. 1 hour later, dough has been fermented well. Now I am going to punch down dough using soft fist. Now I am going to dust flour on the table and going to transfer this dough on the table. Now I am going to make it in a rectangular shape. The size should be 9 by 14 inches. Now I have taken soft butter and I am going to apply over it. Now I have taken 135 gram of brown sugar, 22 gram of cinnamon powder, and I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to apply over it and I am going to sprinkle it evenly. Now I am going to roll it very gently. So length should be 24 inches and I am going to mark 2 inches each, and I am using the string to cut the dough. So you can see it is perfect spiral shape, and I am going to transfer it on baking tray. Now I am going to proof it for 45 minutes. Now 45 minutes is over. Now I am going to bake it 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Now it has been baked well. Now I have taken 120 gram of cream cheese, 45 gram of butter, and I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to add a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 90 gram of icing sugar. and I'm going to mix it again. Now frosting is ready. Now I'm going to apply cheese frosting on top of it, and there you have it, soft, fluffy and delicious cinnamon buns. If you enjoy this recipe, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.